Here, one problem on missing probability. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. Find the value of k and calculate mean and variance of x. The given distribution is x p of x. X takes -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and p of x takes 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 2k, 0.3, and 0.1. So here we need to find first value of k. So missing probability have a value of here 2k. If you find that, we'll able to calculate mean and variance, that is expectation of x and variance of x for the given problem. So here already we know that summation of p of x is equal to 1. Now here we have the probability. So the total of all these probabilities must be equal to 1. But here we don't know the value of k. If we find that, the total will be 1. So what is the total now? So 0.1 plus 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.7 plus 1, 0.8, 0.8 plus 2k. Okay, so here 0.8 plus 2k is equal to 1. So 2k is equal to 1 minus 0.8. That is 2k is equal to 0.2. So k is equal to 2 divided by 0.2 divided by 2. So k is equal to how much? 2k is equal to 0.2. So what is the value of k? They have asked here the value of k. So 2k, that is missing probability, is 0.2. So value of the k now, 0.2 divided by 2, how much? 0.2 divided by 2. Point 0.1 or 0.01? 0.2 divided by 2. 0.01. So k, value of k is 0.01. Now we got the value of 2k, that is 0.2. So missing probability is 0.2. Fill that here, 0.2. Now we have to estimate two things here. One is mean, that is E of x, and second one is variance of x. So E of x is equal to summation x into P of x. So x into P of x. So -2 into 0.1. So -2 into 0.1 is -0.2. Minus 1 into 0.1 is -0.1. 0 into 0.2, 0. 1 into 0.2, 0.2. 2 into 0.3, 0.6. And 3 into 0.1 is 0.3. So total of this column, 0.3 plus 0.6 plus 0.2 minus 0.1 minus 0.2, that is 0.8. So expectation of x is, or mean for the given distribution is 0.8. Now next, variance of x. Variance of x is equal to expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So expectation of x already we have calculated, just we have to square it, and we have to find expectation of x square. So expectation of x square is equal to summation of x square into p of x. So first we need to find x square column. Then we'll get x square into p of x. So x square minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 0.1, 0.4, minus 1 square is 1, 1 into 0.1, 0.1, 0 square 0, and here 0, 1 square is 1, 1 into 0.2, 0.2, 2 square 4, 4 into 0.3. So 4 into 0.3 we get 1.2, and last 3 square 9, 9 into 0.1 is 0.9. Okay, so make the total of x square into p of x column. 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 1.2 plus 0.9. So that is 2.8. So now variance of x. So here this is 2.8 now. Variance of x is equal to 2.8 minus 0.8 square. So e of x square is 2.8. E of x is 0.8. We have to square it. So variance of x is equal to 2.8 minus 0.8 square, that is 0.64. So 0.64 deducted from 2.8. So we get 2.8 minus 0.64 is 2.16. So variance of x is equal to 2.16, where all the probability values are not known. If you find one value of k, we can estimate or get all the probability values. So find k, mean and variance of the following distribution. So x values are -3, -2, 0, 2, 3. And p of x is equal to k divided by 6, k divided by 2, 2k divided by 3, k divided by 2, and k divided by 6. And here we can assume, we can find that here probabilities, each of the probabilities have different denominations. Here k by 6, k by 2, 2k by 3, k by 2, and k by 6. So here numerator part is k and 2k, that only, and denominator part it varies. So we know that sum total of all the probabilities is equal to 1. So here summation p of x is equal to 1. Now we have to add all the here. K by 6 plus k divided by 2 plus 2k divided by 3 plus k divided by 2, and last one k divided by 6 is equal to 1. Now add all of them. We have to find the LCM for the denominators. So that is 2, 3, and 6. And the LCM for 2, 3, and 6 is 6 itself. So we get here 6. So 6 ones are, 2 threes are, 3 twos are, 2 threes are, and 6 ones are. Okay. So k into 1 is k itself, plus 3k, plus 2 into 2, 4k, plus k into 3, 3k, plus k is equal to 1. Now, total how many k's are there? So 3 plus 3, 6, plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12k divided by 6 is equal to 1. So 1, 6 ones are, 6 twos are. That is 2k is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1 divided by 2. So value of k is 1 divided by 2 now. So with help of that, find remaining k values there. First one, k divided by 6, that is 1 by 2 divided by 6. It becomes 1 by 2 into 1 by 6, that is 1 divided by 12. Second one, k divided by 2, that is 1 by 2 divided by 2, it will become 1 divided by 4. So second one is 1 divided by 4. Next 2k. So 2 into 1 by 2, that becomes 1, 1 divided by 2, finally we get here 1 divided by 2, and again here 1 divided by 4, and for last one 1 divided by 12. So x into p of x, to find x into p of x. So here minus 3 into 1 by 12, minus 3 divided by 12, minus 2 into 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, 0, 2 by 4, and last 3 into 1 by 12 is 3 by 12. And the total of this one is 0. So here expectation of x is equal to summation of x into p of x. So here expectation of x is equal to 0. So suppose we assume that here they have a betting. Okay, so in the two ways, in the two events, he is losing amount here, 3 rupees and 2 rupees. If another result get, nothing he lose and nothing he get, and in the two cases he gets 2 rupees and 3 rupees. So here average amount what he gets or what he lose here is 0. He don't get anything or he don't lose anything there. Okay, and next, variance of x. Variance of x. So variance of x is equal to e of x square minus e of x whole square. So e of x square is equal to summation of x square into p of x. So x square column first, then p into x square into p of x. So 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 0, 4 and 9. So 9 into 1 by 12, that is 9 by 12, and here 4 into 1 by 4, 4 by 4, 0, 4 into 1 by 4 is 4 by 4, and last 9 into 1 by 12 is 9 by 12. So to add them, we have to find again LCM, and 4 and 12 we get LCM 12 itself here, right? So 4 3s are 12. So 12 by 4 and 12 by 4. So 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 12, 30, 30 plus 12. 30 plus 12, 42 by 12. 42 divided by 12. So here 42 divided by 12. No, e of x is 0. So 0 square is 0 itself. So variance of x is equal to 42 divided by 12 minus 0 square. That is 42 divided by 12 itself. So variance of x for the given distribution is 42 divided by 12. So for this given probability distribution, find e of x, e of 2x, e of 2x plus 3. Okay, so first let us find these three values here. So what is the value of e of x? E of x is equal to summation x into p of x, and e of 2x, that already we proved that. So e of ax is equal to a into e of x, but let us find it with help of the table here. Okay, so first let us find e of x. So for that we need x into p of x. Okay, so 2 into 1, sorry, 1 into 1 by 6 is 1 by 6, 2 into 2 by 6 is 4 by 6, 3 into 2 by 6 is 6 by 6, and last 4 into 1 by 6 is 4 by 6. So total of x into p of x is, all denominator parts are same here. So 4 plus 6, 10, plus 1, 14, plus 1, 15. 15 divided by 6. So E of x, expectation of x for this problem is 15 divided by 6. Now, second question, 2x. So expectation of 2x. So for that, first find here E of 2x is equal to summation of 2x into P of x. So for that, we need to find 2 into x first. So 2x. So 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. So 2x into P of x. 2x into P of x. So 1 by 6 into 2. 2 by 6. 2 by 6 into 4. 8 divided by 6. 2 into 6 divided by 6, that is 12 by 6, and last 1 into 8, that is 8 by 6. Now make the total. All the denominators are same here. So 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 12, 22 plus 8, 30. So that is 30 divided by 6. So E of 2x is equal to 30 divided by 6. Let us cross check it. Okay, so already we know that E of ax is equal to a into E of x. So now E of 2x is equal to 2 into E of x. E of x is 15 divided by 6. That is 30 divided by 6. So we got the same answer. Okay, and the third question. So third question is 2x plus 3. So for that we need to calculate now 2 more columns, that is 2x plus 3. Then 2x plus 3 into P of x. So 2x is already we have calculated here. Just add 3 to this column. So 2 plus 3, 5. Then 4 plus 3, 7. 6 plus 3, 9. 8 plus 3, 11. So 2x plus 3 into P of x. That is 5 into 1 by 6. 5 by 6. 7 into 2 by 6. 14 by 6. 9 into 2 by 6. 18 by 6. And 11 into 1 by 6 is 11 by 6. So make a total of this column now. So here formula for this is E of 2x plus 3 is equal to summation of 2x plus 3 into P of x. Okay, so all denominators are same. So for 5 plus 14, 19. 19 plus 18. 19 plus 18, 37 plus 11, that is 48 divided by 6. So here E of 2x plus 3 is equal to 48 divided by 6. And here also we got a shortcut and we proved it already. So that is E of 2, that is ax plus b is equal to a into E of x plus b. So a into E of x plus b. A into E of x is 30 divided by 6 already, which we have calculated here, plus 3. So plus 3. So nothing is there in denominator part end. There is a 1. So LCM of 6 and 1 is 6 itself. So 6. 6 ones are 6 and 1 6 are 6. So 30 plus 3 into 6 is 18. So answer is 48 divided by 6. By both the way, using the table and using the shortcut, we got the same answer.